This year, TIT celebrates its 30th anniversary. We sincerely appreciate the unwavering support and trust of our customers over the years. For the past 30 years, we have pursued innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, continuously growing and evolving within the industry. Moving forward, we will further enhance our technological capabilities, adapt to industry developments, and embrace new challenges. We look forward to your continued support and guidance. In 2025, we reach a major milestone. TOHO Industry Thailand is proud of its 30 years of achievements and growth, and we strive for even greater development. Established in 1995, TOHO Industry Thailand is a manufacturer specializing in brass machining. We are a group company of TOHO Industry Japan. With our expertise in precision machining and manufacturing excellence, we have consistently set high industry standards. Over the years, we have expanded production capacity, enhanced technological capabilities, and built strong relationships with trusted business partners. Our main products are brass components for air conditioners, including unions, flare nuts, distributors, orifices, and inlet tube. By leveraging brass's excellent machinability, we use high-strength, corrosion-resistant materials. Furthermore, advanced processing technology ensures high precision and a beautiful finish. We continue to drive technological innovation, introduce the latest manufacturing techniques, and expand into new markets. Our factory meets strict international standards, continuously improving processes through cutting-edge facilities to enhance quality and production efficiency. At TOHO Industry Thailand, quality is our foundation. To maintain the highest standards, we promote DX, digital transformation, by digitizing inspection records as part of our quality management efforts. All our components undergo rigorous inspections and are manufactured using state-of-the-art technology to meet strict industry standards. For the past 30 years, we have earned the trust of major Japanese air conditioner manufacturers. By focusing on quality, precision, and reliability, we have built strong relationships through the supply of high-performance components. We value more than just providing high-quality products. Our partnerships are based on trust, integrity, and mutual growth, fostering long-term relationships. We prioritize creating a comfortable working environment for our employees. From a clean and organized office to a bright and open employee cafeteria, canteen, we foster a workplace where everyone can perform at their best. During production planning meetings, we ensure smooth communication and teamwork to facilitate operations. This environment keeps employees motivated and dedicated to producing superior products. TOHO Industry Thailand values harmony between people and the environment, continuously striving for a better workplace. TOHO Industry Thailand is driving digital transformation (DX) to improve operational efficiency. As part of this effort, we have introduced a logistics system utilizing QR codes in our warehouse. This has optimized inventory management and improved delivery accuracy, ensuring seamless and reliable services for our customers. Beyond corporate growth, we are actively committed to social responsibility (CSR). We have been recognized by Pathum Thani province for our contributions to the community and sustainable initiatives. As part of our CSR efforts, we have donated air conditioners to schools, improving learning environments for students. We also prioritize environmental conservation by recycling metal shavings generated during machining. By minimizing waste and optimizing resources, we contribute to a more sustainable future. Through these initiatives, we strive to advance the industry while shaping a better tomorrow. With 30 years of achievements, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our customers, employees, and partners. Your trust and support have been the foundation of our journey.